Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to December 31st, 2019. It's bye 2019. It was good knowing you, and bye to the decade. It was also interesting. All right, enough of that. Let's go to it. Uh, Keiko, Coca-Cola went to 15%. So let's go look at that chart. And there we are. Now, we don't have the low here of this day, day exit rule. It already was triggered. It got matched by my black value line, finally caught up with it. Now the potential is here. If we can get a higher low, remember the higher is the adjective for the up, and the low is the noun, which is what we're looking for. So there you are, a higher low. We can then do a day trader's exit here on Thursday in the new year. $94, so it's shy of 100. Still, it's going in the right direction. All right, that said, let's go over to USO. And we're here at USO, and oh, there we go. Good, we got our text. And USO is in profit zone, and we do possibility have a move. Let's zoom in a little closer. USO owes 444. It's only 30 bucks to our name, but 30 bucks toward us is not to them. That said, we are in profit zone. What do we have? Well, we have our day trippers exit, and our black value line has moved. So there we are. So what's going to tell me that? That line is now going to go to 12.55. It's only a nickel. So this is now going to move to 12.55. And we're going to go here and start using this labeling up here. And we're in price zone rules. We're in price exit rules. Price zone exit rules. Price zone exit, and we are on the black value line. Okay, so that's it. We're going to move the date out so that we can see the marker a little clearer going into the future. So we'll move that and go into January. So what this does is it starts the draw line for those marking charts. It starts the line here, not way over here. See, like this way over here. That's because we started the trade back when. So when we hit the OK, boom, look, nice and pretty, and I can start seeing it moving in the right direction. But that's not the end of it. We have to bring up our trade journal. Again, I know that for seasoned traders, this is a little bit on the boring side, but I am here to help everyone as possible. So 1231, and it's the black value line. I got too many values. That's another thing that's going to be happening in 2020. We're going to be cutting down on some of these value things. Okay, 1255. Let's go ahead and grab it. And text note 19. Call that trade journal. Okay, good. And now we'll go to our order, cancel order. Come here. Look, I still had old number. I still had an old number there. Look at that. Look at that. I did another. That's a beginner's mistake, and yet I'm starting my 8th year as an official trader. I was a stock trader. I did stocks and trades prior to 2013, but I hadn't gone to any trade schools, and I was doing it on the orders of my previous trading, actually still is my trading mentor. Now that I've gone to trade school and got all these classes and stuff under my belt and all these bad and good experiences, and I'm going forward, playing it forward to helping you guys, the bottom line is that now I'm a seasoned trader. So There we are. It happens. Okay, send that, send that. Come down here. Remember, we copied the text already and send it. Done. So now we're protecting profit. Not much profit, but still. Remember, our interest was down here somewhere. Every little bit going this way protects the capital first and then the profit. So if we looked at Coca-Cola already, yeah, we looked at Coca-Cola already. Coca-Cola has no changes. We are looking for the hopefully getting the dipper. So let's go over to the Alpha League. All right, Alpha is going on. Oh, we have two profit leaders. Let's go to XLY, see what they're up to. And there we are. Where I am a little disappointed because I really was hoping that this down to 63. There was two real good potentials toward the end of the year of getting the loss leaders down to 2 or 3 off the list. It didn't happen, but it's in the right direction. Same situation here. We're down here. Let's zoom in a little closer. We're down here in the black value line because that is a profit zone. I have 4 exit rules in this area, and we're working on one of them, which correlates with the day traders exit right there. So the hope is on Thursday we'll have a higher low and therefore end up with a stop here. So no change there. That takes us over to CVX. CVX is Chevron. Taking a look at Chevron. Get the text in here is ASAP. And then you guys will be free to go and enjoy your Happy New Year's. Oh, good. We got our line. There we go. And now we are in profit zone. We're at 6%, $140 against 707. And our black value line moved up above our gold line and our dipper and the completed helo system. So right there is our number, and that's going to be 119.15. So we're going to come here and change this to 119.15. Okay, come up here. Oh, look at that. We already had it. We just did another amateur mistake. It happens even to the best of us. I didn't move my price line up. But let's go look and see if we are at 19.15. We are. So the order was already sent. I just failed to move up my markup the charts. Remember, there are 3 things you're going to do here in your charts. 1, put in your markup. Put it in all your notes right here. Keep your journal. Now, my journal is very elaborate. You can. Today is the last day for the Christmas special to understand how my little journal works up there. It's going to come down right after. Well, actually, by the time this video posts, it's gone. Sorry to say, but Christmas special data box is gone now because it's going to be replaced by, get ready, keys to successful trading. Yes, I'm going to post up keys to successful trading. Please follow that video next. So that's it. What else can we say? 2019 is done. The decade's done. We're sitting on 65 lost leaders for the alphas. We have 20 lost leaders in the Tigers, and I will be doing an audit check to make sure that those numbers are correct going into 2020. Wow, year's gone. So, to all my fellow followers and viewers, and hopefully you all getting a little bit of understanding out of this. The bottom line is trading is a recipe. It's very simple recipe. In Teen Titian Trader Taiki, he officially graduated last night. Yeah, he's now an official calls options trader. He hasn't done puts yet, but he knows his calls. He knows how to set up his calls, and he knocked out. Get this. He completed his entire account, even though it's a paper account. He has 8 or 10 positions. I forgot. And he knocked it out in 45 minutes with me guiding him. But in 45 minutes, he knocked out the complete review of the account, set up a trade, went through a little bit of lecture, and shut it down. Now, that's a 13-year-old who started learning at 12 and a half. So trading is not a big mystery. It can be done. All right, get off my high horse. I thank you all for tuning in. Happy New Year, safe passage, and we'll be catching you on Thursday. Enjoy your time off. Bye-bye. Oops, let me do this properly. Yeah. There we go. All righty, y'all. Bye-bye.